Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable USB debugging on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. Now from here, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now from here, just enter your lock screen password and tap on OK. Now from here, once you enable developer options, just go back. Now just scroll down and tap on developer options. Now from here, just scroll down. As you can see, here is the option for USB debugging. Now, as you can see, we currently cannot enable USB debugging on our smartphone because the auto blocker option is enabled on our smartphone. Now, to disable the auto blocker option, just go back. Now from here, just swipe up and tap on Security and Privacy. Now from here, just scroll down and disable auto blocker. Just like that. Now once you have disabled auto blocker, just go back. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on developer options. Now from here, just scroll down. Now as you can see from here, you can enable this toggle to enable USB debugging. Now just tap on OK. And this is how you can enable USB debugging on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.